So this is a piano we've previously looked at. This is created by Stas and he's sharing his progress with us and we're really thankful for that. It's looking like it's really starting to come together and look piano-like. I think when we're at this point of making the piano, it's more about designing the process to make parts that are repeatable and identical than it is to actually designing the parts. And it is quite time consuming to do that. So this is how the piano is sounding. I think that sounds pretty good. Be interested to know what you think, and if you want to rate it out of 5, Stas has asked me if you'd be willing to do that in the comments, and also just leave any feedback to see what you think of this. I think it's really cool progress, and I think the aim shouldn't be to recreate the sound of any one particular piano and kind of just embrace the piano it creates. So once more, I think it's really cool the progress we have here, and I hope that if you're thinking of a similar project, this type of video gives you inspiration to have a go, even just to have a one-key piano. But yeah, let us know what you think, and much appreciated. Till next time.